So another secondary metabolite is the phenolics. Phenolics can be defined as the substances that possess an aromatic ring bearing one or several hydroxylic groups and their derivatives. If the molecule contain only one hydroxylic group, so it is called the phenol. And if the molecule containing two or more hydroxylic groups, so they are called polyphenols. And plant produce a variety of compound that contain one or more phenol groups, so that's why we call as phenolics. So phenolic compound are the most widely distributed secondary metabolites ubiquitously present in the plant kingdom. Plant phenolics are a chemically heterogeneous group of nearly 10,000 individual compounds. Some are soluble only in the organic solvents, some are water-soluble, carboxylic acids and the glycosides, and other are large insoluble polymers. So their classifications are being classified onto two groups, the flavonoids and the non-flavonoids. The classification is based on the fact that all except flavonoids arise from a common biosynthetic intermediate, phenylalanine, or its close precursor skimic acid through cymic acid pathway. In case of the flavonoid which have a C6C3C6 carbon skeleton, one aromatic ring and its side chain arise from the phenylalanine while the other aromatic ring arise from the acetyl-CoA malonic acid pathways. So this is the two pathway, skimic acid pathway and the malonic acid pathway involved for the synthesis of the flavonoid or the phenolics. So what is the simple phenolics? Simple substitute phenol compound can be hydroxyphenol or the dihydroxybenzenes. Examples are the catechol, for example 1,2-dihydroxybenzene, or the racocresneal 1,3-dihydroxybenzene, or the hydroquinone, which is 1,4-dihydroxybenzene. A racocrinol derivative is the hallucinogenic principle of the cannabis sativa. The plant melanin are probably catechol polymers. Other example substitute phenolic compound can also be dihydroxyl phenols or trihydroxyl benzene. Example are pyrogalol, hydroxyquinone, and the chloroglucinine. Phenolic acids. Now the second example is the phenolic acids. These are the phenol that contain a carboxylic acids are termed as the phenolic acid. If the carbolic acid functional group is directly bonded to the phenol ring, the phenolic compound is termed as the hydroxybenzoic acid. When the carboxylic acid functional group and the phenol ring are separated by two double bond carbon, phenolic compound are termed as a hydroxycyanic acids. Other example of the phenol is the coumarin's. So coumarin's are the lactones which are derived from the alpha hexocyannameric acid by ring closure between the orthohydroxyl group and the carboxylic group of the side chain. Offer trans-isomerization of the side chain. In damaged tissue, it can be easily formed from trans-alpha-glucooxycinnamic acids, a constant component of the fresh leaves. The damage allow access to enzyme which remove the glucose and cause the trans-cis isomerization followed by the ring closure. This reaction results in the formation of a volatile coumarin. The examples are the ambilorofirine, aceclidine, and the scopolamine. This is the example of the coumarin's phenols which have been useful for the plants. Tannins. Tannins are also known to bind to and participate protein and amino acids. They are subdivided into three types: hydrolyzable, condensed, and the complex form. Hydrolyzable tannins can be glutathiones or the alpha-tannins. Stilbens. So stilbens are phenolic compound in which two phenol units are linked by two double bond carbon. They are phytotoxins, phytolexins produced in response to fungal bacteria attack. Example of stimulants include the resveratrol, petrostimulants, and the pisotinols. Lignins. So lignins consist of the two phenol unit linked by the four carbons. For example, it includes the metrosinol, cezolaricinsan, and the penarysine. Lignin consists of the phenol unit or phenolic compound. They are linked with each other by carbon chains. Lignins are high molecular weight polymer. It has been highly branched polymer of phenyl propanoid group that play a vital role in secondary roles. Lignin is generally formed from three different phenyl propanide alcohols: coniferyl, comeryl, spenyl alcohol. They are synthesized from phenylalanine by various cinnamic acid derivatives. So now what is the function of the plant phenolics? So phenolic compound possess a wide range of biological activities such as the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Such property allow phenolic compound be able to reduce the various illness and disease such as the cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancers and the hypertension. Therefore, they can be used in the pharmaceutical industries as therapeutic agent. The antioxidant and antimicrobial property enable the phenolic compound to function as a food preservatives and additives. Thus, they have also implication in the food industry. In addition, phenolic compounds have application in cosmetic and packaging. Some of them act as a chemical detergent against herbivoria and pathogens. Plant phenolics such as lignin provide a mechanical strength to the plant and have a significant protective function in them. Some phenolics play a vital role in plant and attracting pollinators and fruit and seed and disperse. Some plant phenolics play important role in helilopathy. Helilopathy is the influence of chemical release by one plant species on another plant or animal with resulting benefit to the species which contain them. So it helps in absorbing the harmful ultraviolet radiation. So this is all about the phenolic, their structure and function in the daily